we're back doing more necklace reveals. As you can see, I had a lot of paint to go through. So let's see. Shit. Don't worry. Come on, son of a bitch. There we go. This is a sample or something, but I was hoping it'd be more gold than brown, but it's different. This was more just random crap. That's kind of cool. Okay, this was the end of a different sample. This is better, and ooh, I do like that. This was more random crap, but put white underneath it, which I've done some other times to see what kind of bleeds through. Creates a real cool effect. And these, like this red, same red from that one big. Not bad. This, it's got a weird camo. Again, I think it was a sample or something. Not bad. So for more gold mixed in. This is more random crap. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like the blue. Alright, that's it. I'll mix my shops later. I got one more batch at least going. Bye. And here's the last batch of reveals for tonight. These. There's more of that bicolor stuff. That's pretty good. Kind of hoping the colors will stay separate, but okay. And this, oh, not bad. Kind of a subtle transition. This is still hot. They use the same colors? Oh, there's an ant. Oh, I did. Oops. Whatever. These are different shapes. This one. Oh, that's kind of cool. And this one. Ooh. I do like that red. Alright, that's it for today. So remember, GardenofMadnessStore on Etsy, GardenofMadness at Mercari, Coles 3, Go Imagine, and Michael's Maker Place. I think that's it. Bye. So we're back doing more reaction videos to jewelry. These are all just kind of melanges of random stuff I had that kind of loosely forced together using my heat gun. So, and these are still kind of warm, so just a little bit of everything in terms of colors. I'll just separate these layers, not that bad, but yeah, really going psychedelic. I like this one, kind of looks like these. And yep, I made something that had a lot of supports that I made yellow, in case you couldn't figure that out by now. And mostly purple, a couple of holes. Oh, pretty good. Anyway, I got more coming. And we're back with more reveals. These, interesting. I think that orange might have been like residual in the molds. I need to buy new molds. This one, ooh, kind of interesting. The bubbles might actually help in this case. That one, oh, pretty cool. And this last batch is more just the random crap I all threw together. I would like some other colors more, but not bad. Yeah, oh, that one's pretty good. Yeah. The back looks kind of more interesting, but whatever. And see you next time. Remember, GardenofMadnessStore on Etsy, GardenofMadness, Mercari, Coles 3D, Go Imagine, Michael's Maker Place. I think that's it. Bye. We're back with more reaction videos. I got some new filament that failed on some prints that I want to give it a shot and see how it looked. Sometimes the satin stuff kind of retains satinness. Satin, well, you know what I mean. But that's interesting. Kind of like the fade there with the blue. This is more just ends of rolls. Some of it was that new stuff. That's what that blue and red is. Not bad. A little muddy over there. Add some brown in there. This is more of that new red stuff. Oh yeah, I put a bottom layer of clear. So it's kind of hard to see, but it actually has like almost a 3D effect. You put stuff behind clear. This is just random. Not bad. This is similar to that red. It's a new blue. Actually, some of it is the red. That's kind of cool. And this is should be blue and gray. Ooh, it's kind of got a bit of a 3D effect too. All right, I got another batch going. See you then. And we're back with the next batch. This one. Pretty cool. Oh, that's a weird little thing sticking there. That one, pretty good. This one, the white is actually that thermoplastic, so it'll turn pink once I cool it down. And that it's just normal pink. More of that sparkly stuff. That was actually just tested by someone. I was doing a demonstration about this. This one, that's pretty cool. Good mixing there. That one, and there's some bubbles, but pretty good. I like that new red I got. Here, that's a lot of bubbles, but pretty good overall. That one, the bubbles actually kind of help. I like that. I don't know if I cooked that batch long enough. I guess I didn't. Here, that one's better. This is just kind of a random whatever I shoved in there. Alright, that's it for today. Remember, Garden of Madness. So, doing more reaction videos. Doing the first bracelet this time. As you can see, I got a phone stand. It's kind of cheap though, but it's better than using a rolled paper towel. So hopefully I don't knock this over. This one, this blue is new. I was using it as a test for my latest design, which hopefully will be live around when you see this. Look for Cults 3D and Etsy. I'll spoil it here. This is more ends of filament. That's pretty good. The middle part's pretty thin. I should be able to clean that out. This one's kind of a little bit different things. That's pretty good. I love that neon yellow. This is, I think it's just yellow and red. Yeah, wish paint's orange. Yay. This one, I like that. Really cool mixing there in the middle. And time to do a bracelet, which these can be a pain to get out. Also, the edges tend to be where it kind of spills over, can be sharp. It also take a lot longer to cool. Actually, it's like a half hour ago. Just to be safe so I didn't burn myself again. This one I was going for mostly blue. And you're gonna get bubbles in these, like, it's just impossible to not to. Got some sparkly stuff on top. Oop, bumped the sand. But pretty good. I think, is that white or is that like the thermal stuff? I don't remember. Pretty good. These are also kind of hard to smooth out, get inside these corners. It's really tough, but overall, pretty good. So, something different, and then testing out the new stand. Probably should have not been cheap, but whatever. See you next time. GardenofMadness.